what keeps me up at night? Trying to fit square pegs into round holes. And if you're running a specialized business, you've probably felt that same frustration with your CRM. But what if I told you that your HubSpot could be as unique as your business? Today, we're diving into custom objects to make your data model finally speak your industry's language. Since HubSpot introduced custom objects back in 2020, businesses across countless industries transformed their CRMs from generic contact lists into powerful industry-specific command centers. Think about it. Standard objects like contacts, companies, and deals are brilliant for most businesses. But what if you're a property developer tracking buildings, units, and leases? Or maybe you're a pharmaceutical company managing clinical trials and regulatory submissions. Or even an educational institution tracking courses, students, and alumni relationships. That's where custom objects come in. They're like creating entirely new tabs in your CRM that connect to everything else. Let me show you how different industries are using them to absolutely transform their operations. Take the medical device sector. Companies in this space have created custom objects for products, clinical studies, and regulatory submissions. Now, their sales team can instantly pull up product-specific clinical evidence when speaking with physicians. They can track which devices are approved in which regions, manage documentation for regulatory compliance, and link everything back to their healthcare provider contacts. Game changer. Or even wealth management firms. They're tracking investment portfolios, financial products, and client reviews as custom objects. Their advisors can see a client's complete financial picture while ensuring they meet all compliance requirements. They can automate notifications for portfolio reviews, they can track product performance across client segments, and identify cross-selling opportunities based on similar portfolio compositions. And this one's my favorite. Commercial property developers using custom objects for properties, leases, and maintenance requests. Their leasing teams can see occupancy rates across properties, while maintenance teams manage service tickets, all in the same system. They can automate lease renewal reminders, track property performance metrics, and even manage tenant satisfaction scores, all within HubSpot. The manufacturing sector has also embraced custom objects in fascinating ways. They're creating objects for equipment assets, production lines, and quality control processes. This allows them to track machine maintenance schedules, monitor production efficiency, and link quality issues directly to specific equipment or processes, creating a complete operational picture that drives continuous improvement. Now, before you rush off to build custom objects, here's my advice. Map your business processes first. Ask yourself, what unique entities does your business track that don't fit neatly into contacts, companies, or deals? How do these entities relate to each other and to your standard objects? What workflows and automations could you create around these custom objects? Which teams need access to this information, and how will they use it day to day? Custom objects aren't just about storing more data. They're about creating a CRM that truly reflects how your business operates. When your system speaks your industry's language, your team actually uses it. They spend less time searching for information across multiple systems and more time delivering value to your customers. The most successful implementations start with a clear understanding of your business processes and carefully consider how custom objects will integrate with your existing HubSpot setup. When done right, custom objects don't just store additional data. They enable entirely new workflows, insights, and efficiencies specific to your industry. Ready to transform your HubSpot experience? Start by mapping out those unique business entities and relationships. Think about the reports you've always wished you could generate. Consider the workflows that would save your team hours each week. Until next time, and this is me reminding you that your CRM should fit your business, not the other way around. Happy HubSpotting.